So I want to take a minute to talk about the sunflower head. This is one that's nearly spent, well, is spent, and it's going to seed, but a lot of people don't realize the actual flowers of the sunflower. If I can get this in view of the camera, there we go. These are the actual flowers in here, all these little heads in here, the actual flowers. So you can see some are starting to turn to seed. These are really the false flowers on the outside, the petals here that we think of the flowers. And this head, see all what it's storing in there for future sunflowers, and I just think it's a pretty amazing flower plant. So if you want to learn more, we do have an eclass on sunflowers. It's in the link below the video. And yeah, you'll learn a lot more than this little tip I've just told you here. Have a sunflower day.